name is Lucious Chabuka. I'm from Malawi. I'm a laboratory technologist. I work at Public Health Institute of Malawi. I'm here in South Africa to be trained on COVID-19 genome sequencing. I'm hoping to be skilled with sequencing technologies. The staff here are very welcoming. They were very happy to have us, and we started the training very well. We are learning a lot of new things. You know, Malawi being a small country, we are not into sequencing a lot. Most of the samples in our country, we send them to this lab. So that's why, as a nation in Malawi, through Ministry of Health, decided to send us here so that we can be capacitated. So this training will really help me as an individual. Again, it also help Malawi as a nation, because at the end of this training, Malawi will be able to sequence COVID-19 samples as a nation. My favorite part, as usual, as a laboratory technologist, is wet lab. But here we have a privilege. We are also oriented on bioinformatics. So partly I'll be more into wet lab, but the other side I think will also be oriented on bioinformatics. You know, in our country expectations are high. You know, the whole nation is waiting for our arrival when you get back. Our nation wants to start sequencing COVID-19 samples so that we can know the variants that are circulating in our country. My plan is when I get home in Malawi, I think I should be able to sequence samples. I think we should stop sending samples to South Africa.